Midnight echoes call my name. Steel tracks hung with buried pain. Shadows ride the smoke again, pulling me back where I've been. Every step I try to take, that whistle makes my body shake. Ghosts of everything I face circle me, I can't escape. But I'm done running from the sound. I won't let it drag me down. I'm riding the ghost train through the dark again, facing every scar, every word it's been. No more fear when the night screams aloud. I take control, I stand my ground. This ghost train doesn't own my soul. I'm the one now, taking control. Doors slam shut, I step inside. Past and present collide. Every fear I used to hide, now I meet them eye to eye. Broken girl inside the car reminds me who I really are. Not weak, just battle scars. Still alive, still burning hard. I feel the power shift in me. This time I won't let it be. I'm riding the ghost train through the dark again, facing every scar, every word is been. No more fear when the night screams aloud. I take control, I stand my ground. This ghost train doesn't own my soul. I'm the one now, taking control. Hands on steel, I lead the way. Turn the night into my day. All the ghosts begin to fade. In the light I finally made. I was scared of what I'd find, all the darkness in my mind. But I turned and faced the flame. Now nothing feels the same. I became what I once feared. It took